Next, we have candidate number 13, Binibining Katkab 3.
Hello, Binibining 13.
Good evening.
Yes, napakaganda ng gown mo tonight.
Proud to wear an art of Mr. Nico Dolores.
Naman, basta gawang Nico Dolores.
Yeah.
May gusto kang pasalamatan sa ating mga audience na nandito tonight?
Thank you all for coming here tonight, especially the Cacabuenas, for shouting not to the people in your life, but of course every time we go out stage. Thank you very much.
Mukhang pinuno niya ang buong San Andres Gym. Are you ready for your question?
Ready, I guess?
Sino kaya ang mapalad na judge ang makukuha mo tonight? We have judge number 1, Miss Geraldine Bagajo.
Hello, good evening, candidate number 13. So here's the question for you. If you win the title as Binibining San Andres, how would you encourage more young people to take up their space in local governance? I repeat, if you win the title as Binibining San Andres, how will you encourage more young people to take up their space in local governance?
Thank you very much. I am a student of public administration, and aside from that, I am also elected as an SK member of our barangay. For that, I am a living proof that you are the voice and the position in our local governance. You have that leadership that you possess, that you don't even know, but you have to discover it from within you. That leadership you have in every single, that leadership that you possess within you, you can use it by simply being a role model, not just into your friends or colleagues, but into the whole community. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 13, Binibining